Today we are starting with oogenesis. Primary oocyte is getting mature. It is converting into secondary oocyte. It is with first polar body. Secondary oocyte convert into mature ovum. First polar body convert into second polar bodies. This process occurs in the germinal epithelium of the ovary. Such cells are known as primordial germinal cell. It is also completing in 3 phases like spermatogenesis. Number 1 multiplicative phase, number 2 growth phase, number 3 maturation phase. Multiplication phase. The primary germinal cell divide repeatedly to form oogonia. The oogonia multiplies by mitotic division and form primary oocyte, which passes through growth phase. The oocyte resumes their development when female matures sexually, that is, she attains puberty. The oocyte start developing usually one at a time and once a month. Growth phase. In this phase, the primary oocyte increases enormously. Large amount of fat and protein becomes accumulate in the form of yolk, and due to its heavy weight, it is usually concentrated towards the lower portion of the egg, known as vegetative pole. Similarly, upper pole of the egg is also formed, that is known as animal pole. Nucleus and nucleolus become larger. Chromosomes change their shape. Maturation phase. It is meiosis division. After meiosis division of nucleus, oocyte divide unequally to form single large cell, which is large sized haploid egg, and 2 small polar bodies are also formed at the end. These unequal division shows 1 cell out of 4 contain most of the cytoplasm which is needed for developing embryo. Primary oocyte converts into secondary oocyte through meiosis division. Now we will see this diagram. This is ova, as you can see, mitosis division, converting into primary oocyte, normal ova, developed from the primary follicle, no change. Adolescence starts. Primary oocyte converts into secondary oocyte, normal ovum, which is developed from the primary follicle. Primary oocyte converts into secondary oocyte with first polar body, normal growing ovum with zona pellucida and theca follicula, developed from secondary follicle. Secondary oocyte converts into ovum, and if it is getting sperm, fertilization occurs. After meiosis 2, zygote is formed, which is converting into embryo. As you can see, normal ovum, this is mature ovum, formation of antrum. Now this is the time when ova is released. It is waiting for the sperm. If it is not getting sperm, it is released, ovulations. If it is not getting sperm, it converts into the form of the corpus luteum. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending you its PDF. Thank you.